You already know what it is, fam. O City, what up? Yeah.
Who the fuck is you? I'm Messi Double B. Pocket full of shit, been on since 2003. Fuck these little talkers, no more bitch shit. I'ma run up in your house with a full clip. Try to run with me? I'ma drop my shit. 2 hands on your throat, call it slit and dip. I don't take no shit. All my dogs savage. On some Luther shit, they call me beast at average.
2/3, but now I'm feeling plastered. So-called school dealer? You must have heard all the fiends coming to my door like a herd. But I'm strapped up with the birds. Don't doubt me. I'll fucking outgun you. I'll outgoon you. All my homies Subu till the end of times. CK we spray, but we always speak our minds. But I stand tall. Fuck all that. But I'ma hit you where it hurts and I'ma bust back. Trying to rob me? Bitch, I doubt it. Cash rules everything, bitch, and I'm about it. You're not about that life. Hammer on the handle and the grip is on my knife. Baby, life's a fucking gamble. This ain't no scandal. I'll have you switching handles. Drug game fame, but I'm something you can handle. I'll catch you slipping. A manhandle, pocket full of greens. Just caught my 3rd Jesus piece, yo, JRIP. Yeah, you know what I mean. 2-tone stuff 'em in the head or the knee. Ha!